right, people, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I am Dub from Dub's ATV. I'm Dub. Willie, that's me. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna be changing the handlebars on this Raptor, my Raptor, and the reason is because I have this. It's because I have these. Now you might look at these and say, oh, he has the new FLEXX handlebars. No, you'd be dead wrong. These are the Ape Racing brand of FLEXX handlebars. I got the bar pad because I like the way it looks. I don't like the Ape Racing's bar pad. So anyway, I had to modify it too for it to work. I also am going to have to modify some things on this to make these wraparound handlebars work as well because they don't fit. So I had to go get a machinist to do some things, adjustments on my handlebars for them to fit. So we'll see how this works. All right. And as you can see, it's done. The Raptor's dirty, but I got them done. Took me a minute because I had to do a lot of adjusting, and then I'll probably have to do some more adjusting later as far as like positioning and stuff like that. But everything is on, everything is snug. The real test is as far as whether the taps and stuff are Loctite at everything, whether or not they are, firm and holding good, I'll find out later. So whenever I take my next ride, that's when I'll tell you guys how they feel. I will say this, yeah, I'm dressed different because I went to bed. I will say this, what I'm going to do now is I'll get on them and, see what it feels like. Yeah, they actually feel pretty good. You can actually feel the bounce in it. And with my arthritis in my hands, hopefully this will help absorb some of the shock. And so we'll see. I'll probably end up moving this somewhere else because I can't really see it from here. Maybe I can. It's not on, so I'll decide that later. I don't really use it. I just like to have it as a temperature gauge, hour meter. But yeah, you can see the FLEXX because I have it on the medium elastomers, the medium pressure, elastomers. That's what it's set on. And so until I ride it, it's good to go. I like it. Next up, an actual ride.